Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Click on Start icon and select Task Manager, then select Performance tab and open Resource Monitor, then go to search bar and open Google Chrome. After that, open Firefox, minimize it, then check your Resource Monitor. Now just follow my screen, close Chrome, then Firefox. Now open Settings, go to Windows Update, scroll down, open Advanced Options, and we need to turn off these options. Go to Delivery Optimization and turn off this one. Then go to Advanced Options, simply check these two options and set these numbers. Also you can limit how much bandwidth you need to use, then set the monthly uploads limits from the advanced options. After that, open Settings, go to Apps tab, select Apps and Features, then scroll down and click on these three dots from Microsoft News and open the More options. Select Never from the background apps permissions. After that, Open troubleshoot settings and click here to open it. Then select other troubleshooters and click the run from internet connections and try to troubleshoot or detect the problems. Once done, close this window. Now open settings, click on network and internet, then select Ethernet, and we need to edit DNS settings. Set manual, turn off IPv4, and you can set your DNS here. You can just follow my screen. Once done, save all changes and close this window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.